Hi, Danny.
Daniel! Daniel!
Love you, Danny.
Daniel, what are you doing? I am in the airport.
Huh?
I am in the airport.
Okay. Alright, Errol. Oh. Oh my god. Hi, guys. So, guys, today we are traveling alone. Me and Leo, we are going to Russia. And we already said bye to Errol and Daniel. They're gonna stay here in Jamaica at home. I'm gonna visit grandma. So yeah, we are here in the Norman airport, Jamaican airport. So we're gonna depart soon, and we're gonna land in New York. Then after New York, we are going to Moscow. And after Moscow, only after Moscow, I'm going to my city. I'm going to Tumen. So I'm so sad because I had to leave Errol and Daniel behind, and I couldn't take Daniel because his visa expired, American visa, so he couldn't travel through America. And Errol, he just never wanted to go because he just doesn't want to go to Russia, and I do understand him, and I do support whatever his decision is. So yeah, but I've checked back my family, so we're there with Leo, and I'm crying because it was so hard to say bye-bye. And you know, it's hard every time I cry when I leave Jamaica, and when I go to Russia I cry because I leave a piece of me here on the island, piece of my heart, and it's just crazy. And when I leave Russia I cry too because
Welcome to the
I don't know,
Norman International
it's just
Airport.
hard.
Passengers are reminded not
So
to leave any bag
I think this is
All bags left unattended
such
will be confiscated
a
and
hard
destroyed.
moment, but I know everybody who are in an international relationships, they have to do that because unluckily our families are just all over the world. So we can't just leave one on, you know, we have to always check our families back home. So yeah, so we're there, and we have next hour we have departure. Everything pretty fast here, time flies fast. So far I promised Leo to buy him something because he is such a good boy. He never cried. He's like, I know he's my helper right now. I'm glad. So Leo, what you gonna buy?
Bubble gum.
Leo wants a bubble gum.
Yeah, I see it over there.
So this is Jamaican airport. Looks pretty empty. Yeah, and we are going. Oh, we are going, Leo.
Over here.
Over here.
Yeah,
Okay. Leo saw something. Okay. Okay. What do you want? A bubble gum? Oh. And we are going to buy some food because the flight gonna be quite long. We're gonna be on the plane for about 4 hours, and I know JetBlue, they don't serve food on the plane. So guys, sorry that I look like that, but just couldn't help crying. Oh, I tried to not to think about everything. Oh, okay, yeah. By the way, yeah, we need to grab something to eat because we're gonna wait here probably about hour and a half, then 4 hours on a plane, and I know JetBlue will only serve drinks and sugar snacks that gonna up your blood pressure, and I don't really normally eat them, so we're gonna grab something. So we decided to grab some island grill. Even though Leo is not hungry, he said, but I am. I am damn hungry, so we're gonna eat some island grill. So guys, I got some brown stew chicken. That's my most breakfast, my most favorite Jamaican breakfast, brown stew chicken. And they never had stew vegetables, but I normally eat it with stew vegetables like yam, boiled bananas, but today they only had dumplings. You see fried dumplings? Yeah. And we did buy some plantains though. Fried plantains. Yeah, I that me go eat it with, cause we can't manage too much carbs, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna throw some plantain. Yeah.
Okay.
This is so good. Fried plantain. That's a nice goodbye meal. I'll definitely miss it. What that? Some veggies there. Good. Feel nice though. Feel like we can go for next 5 hours, 4 hours without no food. That meal I go full me though. That meal heavy though. Smell like a porridge. It's a good food. Yeah. No snack. Guys, Leo found something he really loves. Show me. It's a Rasta SpongeBob. You like it? Alright. Alright, Jamaica. Alright, Jamaica. We soon meet again. Yes, Leah?
Look at that.
It's nothing like Jamaica.
Look at
Oh, Errol. You see? Bala. Here.
Look at that.
So we're going to the gate 3. We are leaving Jamaica. We are leaving. Yo guys, the lady in front of me is serious. She carry buckets of KFC with her though. She not rum, she not play though. Buckets of Jamaican KFC I go foreign though. New York to come. We made it to the plane. Leah, cool? You like it? You like your journey? Okay. Okay.
Morning, guys.
Hi.
Morning.
Alright. 14 BC Leo. 14 1 4. Yeah? Hi.
Sophie.
Yeah, not really. Yes, guys, we are on the plane. Unfortunately, we did not get seat by the window, but so life goes. So Leo found something interesting though. Okay. You can play games, yes, Leo? Nice. You want to play poker, huh? Alright guys, first thing first, because it's coronavirus time, so I'm gonna sanitize my table, because they said like the table is the most dirtiest place on the plane, so I'm gonna sanitize it first, because we're gonna use it anyway. Yes, so that's what I'm going to do.
Anyone else? 24?
Get up.
So guys, next hours watching movies, and I'm gonna watch Get Out because I haven't watched it yet, though my husband watched it, but I didn't, so I'm gonna watch this movie now. Alright guys, so see you in New York, here in JFK. Yes, Leah, we're gonna travel on the train.
Yeah.
Yes, so this is the elevator. I'm going on air train, guys.
Your
So
train up there?
yeah, Leah, it's up there. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, so Leah just glad to, you know, explore. Oh, I nearly lost my luggages. Damn. Alright. Leah just loves the escalator, whatever it is. You know, guys, how I was afraid to lose my luggage. I can't explain it with words. You know what I'm saying? No. I was like, maybe I need to go back to Jamaica. Maybe I wasn't meant to go to Russia. Yeah.
Connections to the LIR, E, J, and Z train service. Please take your belongings.
Oh, so guys, we're on that side, waiting on our train. Leo. Come, Leo, take a seat. Come, let's go there.
Oh, yeah.
Sit. Yeah.
Ideal train.
Ready?
This train is for airline terminals only. The next stops will be terminals 4, 2, 1, 8, 7, and 5.
Alright guys, we made to the Terminal 1. I was thinking I would never make it though. That was rough, trust me guys. Come here. That was rough. Guys, we in American duty free. Yes, Leo. Yes, Leo, what's up? Here is a big giant pack of jelly beans. Not really big, but you like this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check out something else and then you will decide. You want this one?
Mama, look at that jelly bean.
Mm-hmm.
Young sweets.
Oh, this is American presidential sweets. Cool. That looks nice. So, Lee, are you sure you're getting this one? You getting the M&M?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe I'm going to see it inside. What is that in the box?
Oh, there's a lot of M&Ms there. Oh gosh, Chupa Chups. You want a giant lollipop?
Yeah.
A tiger?
Yeah.
Okay, and you're going to put it on your back, yeah, like a backpack, because it's a backpack, you know? You sure? You want a tiger?
Yeah.
Okay, take a tiger. Guys, I'm gonna check out Victoria's Secret. Where's the focus? Ooh. Yeah, that's where I'm going. Leo, come here. Don't go far. This is heaven. This is my heaven. I'm telling you guys, this is my heaven. I bought some nice goodies to cheer myself up. So, mommy got something. Leo got something. Show Leo what you got. Oh, that looks good. I like it. That looks good. You got a nice backpack.
I'm eating this tiger belly.
Yeah. They're showing
It's all
candy.
candy in there.
Yeah, American goods. Yeah, but first I want to try to find my gate because it's pretty far. It's 8, so we need to find it. It's gate 4 now. And by the way, guys, I'm so happy that the luggage, the lady said that she saw it on the system, so my luggage will arrive. Okay. Yeah. And by the way, I did what I did. How do you call it? I insure my luggages, my suitcases. So I pay like $30, and they promised me that in case of they lose all my luggages, one suitcase gonna cost them $500. So that's not bad. And then after I did it, I said like, I don't even mind it to lose it. We stopped to grab a snack. Well, it's my lunch probably. Or whatever it is. Leo bought some pepperoni, pizza. Yeah, Leo just can't stop look at his toys though. He loves it. Just sitting and eating pizza. Yeah, because we have about 2 hours before our flight. So we're just here chilling. Yeah. Just say hi. You like plane? You like flying on a plane? Okay. I think you like Leo loves the most duty free, not flight on the plane. We're gonna board now, and finally we live in New York. I'm going to Moscow. That's our plane. A lot of people. I did not really expect so many people. The plane is going to be really full, and behind, a lot of people behind. Yes, Leo? Alright guys, so finally we reach our plane and going to Moscow. So see you guys in Moscow in Russia. Hey Leo. So guys, we made to the gate, and I'm gonna depart to my home city finally. And I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. My eyes hurt me and my stomach hurts me. My joints. It was so uncomfortable to fly, I swear, but we made it. And Leo, he was such a helper. Even though I made him run. Yes, the man just ran. He did not walk. He was running all the way to the airport, to the terminals. He was running. I'm so tired. And I'm sure when I'm going to come home, I'm gonna sleep. So guys, Leo finally decided to eat something for the Russian soup with chicken soup with bouillon and chicken and little noodle. So Leo said he's going to eat it because he's hungry. Okay, Leo, go ahead. Go eat. Try. Careful, yeah? I'm just sitting here. It's like a pub, but well, they have food. He's eating bread, and our gate is down there. I misunderstood, so we have like 30 minutes more, and after we're gonna departure. So yeah, not so bad, or yeah, we're just here guys chilling. I'm not going to eat nothing because I ate on the plane, and Leo, he rejected all the food, so he's eating indoor. His hunger took him over. Yes, Leo? Guys, so far I did not really get too much of extra attention. Yeah, I just saw one like teenager boy when he saw me and Leo. We were all the crowds in the elevator. He tried to whisper something in his mother's ear, But the mother was like, stop, stop, stop. I don't have time on it, you know? Yeah, she kind of was running him away. And then, yeah, a couple of steers, but it wasn't that bad that time. I don't know. It wasn't that bad that time. Like before, when I came with Daniel and the stroller, I don't know, maybe they were admiring me though, but I have no idea. So this time it's not that bad, but they do look and they wonder. Yes, guys, I make people wonder, okay? Yeah. So that's it. But I don't really care. Just hold my head straight, like you're supposed to do, and just carry myself proudly, okay? Yeah. But so far it's fine. It's alright. See, guys, we are waiting. Leo asked me to take a picture under this orange tree. Leo liked especially. Leo begged me lollipop number 4. Oh Lord, I was still here. By the way, guys, so Russia met us with the rain. It's a rainy weather and it's well cozy. So good thing I took Leo jacket because it's really chilly outside. Rain is pouring, so let's see what is the situation in my city because the weather might different, but I'm not sure about it. Finally, Leo got a window seat. The guys, Leo is so happy. He's sitting by the window because 2 flights we took and we were sitting not by the window. So now Leo by the window. He's well happy. Yeah, and I can record better to you guys so you can see what's outside. Here is very crazy. The guy behind me, he argues with the steward lady. He doesn't want to put his mask on his nose. He just wants to wear it open like that. And that's crazy because he's wasting our time. Honestly. Oh gosh. I can't manage delaying the flight because I'm so tired. Oh God. Such a ghetto boss, I swear. What?
Ваше здоровье самое ценное, что у вас есть. У вас
Forest.
I'll show him this thing to
Are you gonna show your granny a toy?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, we got our suitcases. Quick, no problems. I'm glad. Probably are going to meet his granny. Ah, Leo, who's that? Mom?
Здорово, пошли.
Можно я с прохода иду, мам? Иди, пожалуйста.
Здорово! Смотри, а это самолет, на котором ты прилетел. Ну давай, хватит снимать.
Привет, привет.
Все, пойдемте, через 3 минуты у нас машинка подъедет. Все, давайте.
Alright, so Leo, see you soon. Alright guys, so we're going on a taxi, so see you next time. I hope you enjoyed my vlog, so like, subscribe and share as usual. Take care, bye. So guys, that's my city.
Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Soft love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you believe it.
So my mom made Leo walk to the 9th floor. Good job, Leo.